So quick review of the interior of the E30. As you can see, we've already stripped down the interior. No seats, no covers. The floor looks impressive. Minimal rust. Definitely a lot of work to be done here, but hey, nothing we can do, man. The roof is intact, eh? Very good stuff. The door panels, we have those. Everything is intact except now we need to work on the covers. The covers need work. The wiring, as you can see, is teared down. Is already teared down, so we're gonna have the electrician work on it. Body wise, not bad, not bad. We already worked on the guys have started working on it. So we're gonna put new panels. Uh, of course, a new grill, and that bumper. If we can get a new one, that would be nice. Let's have a look on the other side. Oh, forget about that. That's a Subaru. Needs a new ECU. Gonna be worked on much later though. As you can see, the panel, we definitely need a new panel. Messed up. This has to go. The doors. Very good stuff. Solid. Very solid. Panel is okay. Boot is okay. Roof is good. Dashboard. That definitely needs a lot of work, a lot of love. Interior, definitely needs to be worked on a lot. So we are at the garage. Let me take you through the garage, what we're working on. Sorry, forgive me for I'm having a serious cold. And here we have 1, 2, 3. So we've been working on this car for a long time, man. A long time. Over 5 months of working on this car. Let me see. So we did. Here we go. So we did a full engine upgrade on this car. So we're still running the stock carburetor. Still running the stock engine M102, one of the best engines Mercedes from on a Mercedes 123. The guy's messed up his handle, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. So here we go. Here's the car. Nice, eh? Custom blue, cordless paint. You can hack this, man. You need the recipe, man. Blue, light blue on the cover. We did blue interior, blue carpet, blue roof. Okay, blue roof, dashboard cover done. So a few touch-ups to be worked on much later, or rather you're doing a few touch-ups, and then the car will be back on the road, maybe hopefully tomorrow. So I'm gonna take it for a wash now. You can see we did a lot of work on this car, man. Lots of effort, lots of money went into this build. Lots of TLC, man. Definitely lots of love went into this car, man. So these rims, everyone is asking me where I got these rims. Very interesting story, man. So these rims are original Melbars. Okay, these are original Melbars. How I came to have these rims? Actually, it's there from an old man who did run a Mercedes accessory shop, and this is stock from his 1970 or 1989, I guess early 1980. This is when he brought the rims in, so they've been sitting in his warehouse for a long time. We got them they're quite expensive, let me just say that. So here are the old rims. So it's running the 17-inch original AMGs. on the car. So I swapped those four. I did swap those four. What I'm running now is much lower profile, 15-inch male bars. Okay, male bars, very good stuff. Alloys, solid alloys. Yeah, so it's the car, man. Stock everything, man. So you can access the. Have to go to the other side. Here's the Benz 123 1978, man. Done. Okay. Good stuff. It's been an amazing journey, man. Just finalizing on this car is really making me very happy, man. I love this car. Good car, good car, good car. So this is Auto Stance Garage. We normally don't take projects, sadly. We're not taking any projects at the moment. We have a lot of cars, our own cars we're working. So that is what pays the bills. That is what we do for a living. This is what we do for fun. This is fun. That is money. Okay? This is money. We make bodies. Whatever, build bodies for lorries. Lorries. So this is another project we're working on. We just did this from scratch. So Auto Stance definitely come through to a project. That's another track we're working on. Yeah, so that's a walkthrough. Catch you on the next one.